Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring account and device prerequisites are in place. Sign into YouTube Premium or prepare a browser workaround. Once done, open the YouTube app or the desktop site and cue the music or playlist you want. Make sure location and background refresh permissions are enabled on mobile. On desktop, use a modern browser. Tap play, then lock the screen briefly or switch tabs. This initiates background audio. These steps get the stream ready, so you can move to persistent playback. Now you enable persistent playback. On Android, use Picture-in-Picture or the YouTube app background play setting with Premium. On iOS, play in Safari and use the control center to resume audio after locking. On desktop, pin the tab and use the browser's media controls or an extension to keep audio active when switching windows. If native options fail, use a reputable third-party audio app or alternate browser. This maintains the stream while you use other apps, so your music continues uninterrupted. To finish, confirm audio persists. Lock your device and use the control center or notifications to resume playback. On desktop, ensure the tab stays active. If audio stops, immediately check battery saver, data saver, and background app permissions because these commonly kill streams. Make sure your app is up to date and clear cache or force restart the app if problems persist. If none of that works, sign out and back in or reinstall. Then contact support as a last resort with device and app details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.